Stop lying to yourself. Those $500 in Solana aren't going to change your life. Those $1,000 in Ethereum aren't going to make you a millionaire. Do you know why? Because while you're buying narratives, others are buying infrastructure. Right now, literally while you're listening to this, there's a blockchain processing real bank settlements for 0.0025, connecting over 200 global banks and tokenizing billions of dollars in Brazilian assets. And nobody talks about it because it doesn't have influencers making TikToks. It's called XDC network. When Swift forces every bank in the world to upgrade to ISO 2022 or disconnect, this blockchain will process more real money in a single day than Dogecoin has in its entire history. Are you going to keep chasing hype, or are you going to position yourself in infrastructure before it's too late? November 22nd, 2025. On that date, Swift will permanently retire traditional MT messages, and 67% of financial institutions that aren't prepared will be disconnected from the global system. Here's what the mainstream media won't tell you. XDC network isn't just ISO 2022 compliant. It's the only blockchain officially invited to the Trade Finance Distribution Initiative, a consortium of the largest banks in the world created to fill a $5 trillion gap in global trade finance. Since humans took their first steps, commerce has driven survival and progress. We traded salt, spices, metals, and now financial flows worth trillions every year. Yet modern international trade still suffers from ancient inefficiencies, lack of liquidity, paper documents, delays costing billions. This is where XDC network makes the difference. While most cryptocurrencies chase generic use cases, XDC is built to solve a problem as old as humanity itself: how to finance and streamline global trade. That laser focus on trade finance makes it infrastructure that no other project can replicate. What I'm about to reveal in the next few minutes won't appear in any mainstream headline. While Ethereum charges $10 per transaction and takes 12 seconds, XDC processes settlements in 2 seconds for 0.0025. While other projects promise future adoption, XDC has already settled $800 million in real trade finance and tokenized assets for institutions in Europe and Brazil, billions of dollars in corporate assets being tokenized. Strategic partnerships are in place. Japan, SBI Holdings. Europe, 21 shares ETP trading in Paris and Amsterdam. United States, confirmed rumors of listing on Kraken. This is not speculation. This is the financial infrastructure of the future being built quietly, and you have very little time to position yourself before the world wakes up to the reality that XDC isn't a challenger, it's the replacement. The conservative projections put XDC over $10 by 2030. A secret bridge with our 3 Corda will trigger the largest institutional adoption in history. Because what you are about to discover is not predictions, it's signed contracts, confirmed partnerships, and a regulatory conspiracy already in motion. Here's the truth that changes everything. Our 3 Corda, the DLT platform connecting more than 200 global banks, including HSBC, NASDAQ, and the Bank of England, has been secretly developing a direct bridge with XDC network since 2021. This is not theory. In May 2024, XDC Network APAC and SBI R3 Japan successfully completed the first proof of concept for interbank settlements using XDC as the settlement currency within Corda's private infrastructure. Richard Crook, director of LAB 577 and a group of former RBS bankers, stated, "What you are seeing is the ancient challenge of interoperability being solved." XDC lays the foundation for connecting Corda with ERC20 networks and other cryptocurrencies. Do you understand what this means? For the first time in history, banks managing trillions in assets can settle transactions instantly on a public blockchain, maintaining Corda's privacy, but gaining XDC's efficiency and transparency. The experiment proved instant remittances between multinational companies are possible, executing transactional approval and settlement simultaneously, the 2 essential requirements for financial transactions in seconds. While Ethereum celebrates Layer 2's reducing fees from $50 to lower, XDC is already processing real bank settlements for fractions of a cent Brazil, the billion-dollar deal nobody saw coming. If you think the R3 Corda bridge is impressive, wait until you hear what Capital and XDC are quietly executing in Brazil. February 2025, XDC Network announced a strategic partnership with For Capital to tokenize $1 trillion in corporate debt, primarily from agribusiness. This is not a pilot, it's massive, real tokenization with a first quarter 2026 implementation timeline. Brazil is the fourth largest financial market in the world and a global leader in agribusiness. For Capital manages multi-million-dollar corporate portfolios that require immediate liquidity. XDC 2.0, the upgrade introducing BFT consensus, subnets, and institutional chains, is designed specifically to handle real-world assets at this massive scale. Why did Brazil choose XDC over Ethereum, Solana, or any other blockchain? 2,000 transactions per second, finality in 2 seconds, cost of 0.0025, ISO 2022 compliance, allowing direct integration with central banks and traditional financial systems. And that's just one country. The Trade Finance Distribution Initiative confirmed that the Brazilian model will replicate globally across 45 member countries. Europe, the institutional validation that changes everything. While Brazil builds the infrastructure, Europe delivered the most powerful institutional validation in XDC's history. July 2025, 21 shares, a Swiss asset manager overseeing billions in crypto ETFs, launched the first physically backed XDC ETP, trading in Paris and Amsterdam. This isn't a synthetic product. It's real XDC, custodied in cold storage, accessible to pension funds, family offices, and European banks that could never risk crypto exchanges. 21 Shares doesn't launch products for hype. They analyze fundamentals, compliance, long-term viability, and real institutional demand. Passing due diligence means smart European money has already identified XDC as critical financial infrastructure. Archats, a regulated FCA exchange, confirmed tokenization of money market funds, including BlackRock and Fidelity International, directly on XDC Network. Is it a coincidence that BlackRock, the largest asset manager in the world, is tokenizing its products on the same blockchain where Brazil will tokenize billions in assets? Absolutely not. It's strategic coordination. Japan, SBI Holdings, and the connection to the digital future. SBI Holdings, the financial giant controlling banks, exchanges, and blockchain technology, became the first Japanese exchange to list XDC in 2023. By 2024, SBI XDC Network APAC joint venture was strategic, and in 2025, full ownership of the Corda bridge transferred to SBI XDC Network APAC. SBI Holdings doesn't just invest. They control the infrastructure connecting XDC Network to R3 Corda in Asia Pacific. They literally own the technology, allowing Asian banks to settle in XDC. Andre Casterman, formerly a 20-year Swift executive, now leads XDC Network's innovation in traditional finance use cases. This is no accident. It's a strategy to replace Swift. November 22nd, 2025 isn't just a deadline, it's the end of an era. United States, the listing that will trigger everything. July 2025, Kraken quietly added XDC to its exchange roadmap. This historic signal precedes full listings, scaling positions for institutional contracts and perpetuals. Kraken, the most regulated exchange for advisors, family offices, and institutional traders, will ignite not just volume, but institutional trust. Canada, XDC ready. Europe, 21 Shares ETP trading. Japan, SBI Trade operating. Only the United States remains to complete adoption across the 4 major financial jurisdictions. September 2025, rumors intensify. October 2025, Binance Futures decision. November 2025, ISO 2022 deadline for Swift. First quarter 2026, Brazil implements massive tokenization. The event that will force every global financial institution to upgrade to ISO 2022 or be disconnected is near. XDC doesn't need to adapt, it's already ready. Here's why there is no real competition for XDC in institutional settlements. Proof-of-stake XD press validators must lock 10 million XDC, approximately $800,000, and past KYC to participate. This is not centralization. It's institutional compliance. 2,000 transactions per second. Finality in 2 seconds. 0.0025 per transaction. 10 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. 108 master nodes globally distributed. Ethereum virtual machine compatible. Any Ethereum developer can migrate without learning new languages. Native cross-chain bridges with our 3 Corda. While Ethereum relies on layer 2s and Solana suffers constant outages, XDC processes everything on layer 1 with 99.998% uptime over years of operation. Security audits validate it. XDC 2.0 introduces institutional subnets, allowing governments and corporations to operate private blockchains while maintaining public settlement on XDC mainnet. Even capturing 1% of global trade finance means $50 billion in annual volume. XDC's price would need to rise substantially to match supply and liquidity demand. Brazil's success alone, if replicated globally, would create exponential utility demand for XDC by 2030. Infrastructure revolutions are recognized before mainstream attention. Early adopters win, history proves it. Internet versus legacy media. Cloud versus on-premises. Mobile versus desktop. Now, XDC versus Swift. Dutch Telecom joined as infrastructure provider for MCC Dubai partnership in blockchain-based gold trading. Trade Finance Distribution Initiative membership exclusive. ISO 2022 compliance verified. Strategic alignment across SBI Holdings are 3 Corda, 21 shares for Capital and BlackRock. Time is short. 6 months for Brazil's tokenization, 12 months for global replication. The difference between those who profit and those who watch is information and timing. Your timing is now. Swift built the foundation 50 years ago. XDC perfected execution for the 21st century. Swift will be remembered as the pioneer. XDC will be remembered as the successor. Imagine a world where trade finance, remittances, and bank settlements operate instantly without intermediaries, where tokenized assets trade 24/7 with native compliance, and $5 trillion annually flows over decentralized infrastructure. That world requires speed and trustless compliance. Swift can't deliver it, XDC already does. Smart money has moved. Institutions have positioned. Governments have chosen. Banks have adopted. The only question, will you join the infrastructure revolution or cling to the past? This is the moment that defines decades. XDC isn't competing with other cryptocurrencies. It's replacing global financial infrastructure. If this video opened your eyes to the silent revolution unfolding at the highest levels of the financial system, like it and share it with someone who needs to wake up before November. Most importantly, ask yourself, after seeing these partnerships, do you believe XDC will surpass $10 by 2030 and why? The infrastructure war is only beginning, and Swift just realized it's late to its own battle. Position yourself before the financial world changes forever. Information and timing, not luck, determine who profits, and your information is this.